Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for the AP Gov exam. Start by mapping all units and assigning 30-minute blocks. Then pick 3 priority topics for each day and schedule short quizzes. Then use flashcards and past multiple choice sections to reinforce details. And finish weekly with 1 full practice section under timed conditions to build stamina and pacing before test day. In this video, I will explain effective techniques for AP Gov prep. Focus on spaced repetition with flashcards and one-page summaries that capture main ideas. Then outline essays briefly before writing to practice structure, and simulate test timing during practice sections to train pacing. Swap passive reading for active recall and explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else to deepen understanding and retention. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things fresh after baking and testing cookies. It smells clean and lasts a long time. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. For decoration,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.